morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. This is Fullwealth Hub, a simple guide on how to go about this amazing project which have been blessing lives. So, how do you get started? The first thing is to copy the link in the group and go to your browser, any of your browser, paste the link on the search engine and search. This interface will open. Once it is done, you do what? You click on first name, enter your name, enter your middle name here also, then enter your last name, which is your surname, then enter your email. For instance, let's assume I want to use Fullwealth as my password, so I will now write Fullwealth. Or now see, it's still showing that I need to have a number and also a special character. So let me assume I'll enter 0. Can you see the number is out? Then special character could be and, it could be at, it could be hash or dollar, any of this. Let me use and. So now everything is clear. That's how you enter your password so that it will be accepted. Then you come here and change this to Nigeria. Enter Nigeria, change it to Nigeria. This is our country, that is if you're from Nigeria. Then so what next? Enter your phone number, then after which you can ignore or you can as well enter. If it's not going through, you enter your phone number, but if it's okay, forget about it. Then you acknowledge this, enable it, and also enable this one, and hit your register. Once you're done with this, the next thing is that they will send you a link on your email. So you go to your email and verify it. Is very important. If it's not verified, it can never take you to the next page. So go to your email and click on verify the link that is being sent to you. So now here is my email. You do what? You tap on verify, click on the link to do what? To verify your this thing. Once you're done, it will take you to the next. So once you're done verifying the account, it will take you to this page where you will now log in. Then exercise patience and allow this to seek success. If your network is not good, you try a better network, or you can try using a VPN, but don't start with VPN because of verification. So what next? You are done with registration of IP. That is a place. It's just like where you are going to be trading. You are done with the registration. Then what then you need is a broker. That is people that will give you access to that place, people that will give you access to your shop where you'll be trading. That's the broker that you want to work with. So that's the next thing to do, to now synchronize this your account with them. So all right, once you're here, after you're done verifying the account, it takes you here, you log in.